I'm Cadet Flores, Deputy FOXTROT Flight Commander, and my biggest advice for people going to field training would be to prepare. All of those things that are in your control, memorizing quotes, getting prepared for the PFA. Make sure you're giving 110% because that's your time to shine. This is what the culmination of 2 years has ended up in, so make sure you go hard.
Hey everybody, Cadet FOXTROT here. I'm Golf Flight, your MWRO for the semester. My goals for field training are make sure that I'm not making the same mistakes twice and that I'm taking care of my people. If I could tell myself, one golden nugget, piece of advice would be make sure that you think of others before yourself at all times, and also do not be complacent ever. Always strive to be a little bit better than before. Stay hard.
Good morning, Wing. I'm Cadet MCHENRY from 47th Foxtrot Flight. And this semester of field training, I would really like to enhance my confidence and my abilities to lead a flight in any situation that I'm put into. One piece of advice that I would give anyone going into their FTP semester would be to study your warrior knowledge before the semester even starts over winter break to get a head start. I hope to see you all at field training.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Cadet CAYANAN, and I'm the Inspector General for this semester. I have 3 really quick tips for field training. Number 1, listen when you get there. So the entire time you should be listening. You'll hear people make mistakes, all that type of stuff. You should listen to those mistakes. When you hear those mistakes, you should think about what you would do if you were in their position. That way you can learn from them. Number 2, really quickly, I would say you are there to be evaluated. You are not the CTA, you are not the FTO. Their purpose is to evaluate you guys. So you should be putting 100% effort in to be the best wingman you can be during your mission scenarios and all that type of stuff. You should be helping out everyone regardless if you think they should make it through field training or not. You should be putting in your 100% effort to make them look the best that they can look. So again, remember, you are not there evaluating, you are being evaluated. And then number 3, you probably heard it already, but definitely have fun. Make those connections, build those relationships with your flight mates. They go a long way past field training. Field training is really short. Before you know it, it'll be over, so build those connections. And yeah, good luck at field training.
Hi everyone, I'm Cadet Gerardo. This semester I am a deferred FTP, so I am in Golf Flight, but I am also Bravo Flight's Flight Commander. Something that I'm really excited about in my goal for field training is to score 100 on my PFT. If I were to go back to the beginning of my FTP year, honestly it would be to just worry about the things that I can control and not worry about things that I can't. Examples of that is your warrior knowledge, coming to Lila, being motivated and ready to be here. I wish everyone good luck.
I'm Cadet MURDOCH from 47th Foxtrot Flight, and my goals for field training are to finally culminate everything I've learned here as a GMC at Detachment 330 and just implement all of it and use it to hopefully pass field training. And my advice would just be to study warrior knowledge early, because during your FTP semester there's a lot of new stuff, and getting warrior knowledge out of the way really helps. So I'll see you guys around.
How's it going, everyone? Cadet Pongratz, the Operations Group Commander. And I wanted to offer some advice to all of our FTP cadets who are going to be attending field training this summer. I'd like to start by saying, don't stress. Field training, it's a unique evaluation that everyone has to go through. But just breathe, think about what you're doing, and then execute. Because if you're overwhelmed, you're just not going to perform to the best of your ability. So just don't stress it too much. The second thing is please prepare. All right, field training is a 2-week assessment of how you perform under pressure, and if you're not prepared, you are not going to do well, and your FTOs and your CTAs are going to notice that lack of preparation. So take that time, study the field training manual, study those procedures, master that warrior knowledge, because by the time you get to field training, you want to hit the ground running. Third, have fun. All right, field training, it is a stressful environment, but it's also fun. Get to know the people in your flight, get to know your FTOs and your CTAs. And there are little things you can do throughout the weeks that are just fun and exciting and boost that morale. With that, good luck for the remainder of the semester. To those going to field training this summer, I'll see you down at Camp Shelby.